Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So today's product review video is on a sonic electric toothbrush by Phylian. So let's get into the video, you guys. Let's check this out. Alright, let's unbox the sonic electric toothbrush and see what we got. That is everything in the box. Okay, as with all my review videos, we're going to quickly weigh this thing. See what we're looking at here weight wise. We're looking at 2.9 ounces on the toothbrush. And lengthwise, we are looking at 8 3/4 inch. Packaging looked really good. It was very well packaged. Instructions very clear, very concise. Really all you need to know are what's on this front page right here, the operation of the toothbrush, and then cleaning and care of the toothbrush. Okay, as far as operation of this toothbrush, it's very straightforward. You push the button to turn it on. You see the little green light, it's on. It does have 5 operation modes as well. They're very straightforward. You press the button to change operation mode. So you have sensitive mode, clean mode, whitening mode, polishing mode, massage mode. Like I say, just press the button and it shuts it off again. So you rotate through. So the other feature the sonic toothbrush also has is the 2-minute smart timer mode, which gives you a 30-second interval for each quadrant of your mouth. So you start in the bottom left or wherever you want to start. 30 seconds, it'll do like a little pause. You move over to the next section of your mouth, 30 seconds, pause, up to the next section, 30 seconds, and then up to the next section. It's your standard USB plug. Find a little charging block, just plug it in. Little red charging indicator on the bottom of your sonic electric toothbrush. Hey, do me a big favor. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out my new channel. Thanks so much. Alright, time to try the sonic electric toothbrush by Phylian. See how it does. Just going to try it on the normal setting. So refreshing. Alright, let's go over the 7 strong points of the sonic electric toothbrush starting right now. Strong point number 1, this has a smaller head on the toothbrush so you can reach those hard to get to places in the very back of your mouth. Strong point number 2, a 3-hour fast charge, and this thing can last up to 60 days on a single charge. Love that. Strong point number 3, the 2-minute smart timer with a 30-second interval so you can get those quads left, right, up, down, and that just makes it great. So when you're brushing your teeth, you get all of them. Strong point number 4, this toothbrush comes with 8 brushing heads in total. Strong point number 5, this thing is waterproof, so you can use this in the shower, get 2 things done at once. I mean, why not? Strong point number 6, this has 5 modes of operation. So if you have those sensitive teeth, you put it on sensitive mode. Strong point number 7 is the price. This is currently running $24.99 on Amazon. You can't beat that for what you're getting. Alright, let's go over the one drawback of the sonic electric toothbrush right now. The one and only drawback I could find after reading all the reviews, everything I could find out about this particular toothbrush, some people have complained about the power. So it does have a lot of power, doesn't bother me at all. So on the maximum setting, it does have the 5 modes and they've addressed the issue already. So you can tone it down to the more sensitive tooth setting, click, 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 and off you go. So no longer an issue, you guys. Alright, so ultimately you're wondering, is the sonic electric toothbrush worth it or not? So I have to give it 2 thumbs up, and I do recommend it because it's got the 5 operating modes on it. It comes with the 8 new heads on it. It is rechargeable, it's great for travel, and it makes a great gift. So I will go ahead and recommend this toothbrush. Alright, so I hope this video is really helpful. Please be sure and check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.